In this video, we're going to be going over how to change your TikTok username. So you can either do this on a desktop or you can do it on the mobile app. The process is pretty much the same. So the first thing you want to do is navigate over to your actual profile here. I did that just by clicking profile here. If you're on your main account, you can just click into your profile on mobile app. And once you're on the mobile app or on the desktop here, you're going to find right at the top where it says edit profile. If you're on mobile, it'll show on the bottom right around here. And we're going to click edit profile. And from there, you'll just see a field that says username. And this is whatever the link is you have for your actual username, or what you see up at the top over here. This is the username. So we're going to come in and we're going to edit this. And we come in here and we would just type whatever our new username is. And this does need to be a unique name on TikTok. So if you do change your name, just know you will lose whatever you previously had in here. But once you're done with that, all we're going to do is come down and click save. And then your username is now changed. And things like your actual link will change as well to whatever your new username is. And also your QR code if you're using that to push people to your profile. But again, these are the same on mobile and desktop for the most part, how you can do this. So that's how you can edit your TikTok username.